Hello guys, in this video I would like to talk about seed project. Season 2 is live and now we can earn a SLOVE using our seed Mons. This season started at the end of March and also they develop new features. Just today they added market in the application. And now let's go to the platform and look at it. Here at the very beginning we have link, place it go, I go there, and first let's go to the white paper. Here we have all information which we need to know. Yes, this is overview, information about seed go, about NFT. Seed Mons could have different classes and every class has his own features. For example, Ghost will collect us the most amount of SLOVE. Also there is the information what we need to do. For hunting we need to use our mobile application because we need to go close to tree to start hunting, but all rest we could perform in the PC, but also in mobile as well. Okay, next about Seedmon classes. How many energy they spend and how many SLOVE they could earn. Okay, and next there is information about levels of our Seedmon. Yes, we can upgrade level and how many times will it take, and also how many SLOVE we need to pay and how many seed we need to pay. The maximum level is 30 and this is the cost for the last level. And the more level, the more SLOVE our Seedmon could earn for us. Also there are attribute points. Yes, when we upgrade our Mon to the next level, we receive attribute points which we can allocate and increase our rewards or, for example, decrease our costs. Next, Mon attributes. Yes, we have 4 attributes: proficiency, luck, seeding and recovery. So seeding we need to earn in seed, but seed we can earn only when we reach 30 level, the last one. And recovery help us with endurance, yes, because the higher endurance, the more we can earn. If the endurance is low, we need to recover, and for recovery we need to pay a SLOVE. And proficiency affect how much SLOVE we can receive. And luck give us luck to receive mystery boxes. Okay, and next those are attributes, how many points we can have. Those numbers could differ from minimum to maximum. Okay, and here is the information about trees, and in future we could own seed tree, but for now it's not available. Okay, here is the information about breeding. We can breed our Seedmons, yes, and this is the percentage which seed box we could receive from breeding, but for breeding we pay a SLOVE and we pay seed. And also important, our Seedmon should have level 5, not less. Okay, and here for example SLOVE mechanics. Here is the table and it shows how many SLOVE we can earn according to our Mon level. Yes, those are the levels, and those are amounts of SLOVE which we could receive from our hunt. Those amounts will bring us common Seedmon. This is uncommon, rare and epic. And the maximum level is 30. We could receive those amount of SLOVE from hunting. Let's go back. And now let's go to marketplace. In marketplace we can buy Seedmon or seed box. When we open seed box we will receive our Seedmon, and there is the percentage, yes, which exactly Seedmon we could receive. There is a small percentage that we could receive the high Seedmon from the common box. These are prices for common box. Also we can filter by rarity. Those are prices for uncommon box. Here is a rare box and epic. Okay, I go back and now let's look at the Seedmon NFTs. Those are prices for Seedmon. Here is important, we need to check attributes for Seedmon which we want to buy. Okay, rarity, it shows that this is common. Proficiency is important attribute. The more proficiency, the more SLOVE we could receive. Yes, and also I look at the recovery. Let's check the prices for uncommon. Those prices are for uncommon NFTs, our CDMons, and those are for rare and epic. I go back, and now let's check prices for SLOVE and for seed. Index screener. I will look for SLOVE. Okay, here it is. Okay, and this is price for today. And if you look at seed, and we can buy seed and SLOVE in Cetus. Cetus, this is DEX platform on Sui blockchain. Okay, and this is price for today for seed. And in Cetus we could buy seed and SLOVE because we need them for level up, and also we need a little bit SLOVE for hunting, like for gas thieves. Okay, next dashboard. Here we can connect our Sui wallet, and here we can transfer from app to our wallet or vice versa, from wallet to app. Yes, for example, we need to transfer some SLOVE or seed from our wallet to application. Yes, for example, to level up our Mons or to breed them, we can use dashboard. Also, we can do it through Sui wallet in our mobile. If I want to withdraw my SLOVE, which I earned, I choose SLOVE, and here is important, the minimum amount is 100. Yes, I do not have 100, so I could withdraw only tomorrow after next hunt. And the fee will be 3 SLOVE. Also important, there is like freezing. If I would like to receive the whole amount, it will be freezed in 7 days. So I will receive them only in 7 days. In 3 days, this amount I will receive, and if I want it immediately, I will receive only half. Okay, when you will withdraw, here you will have the pending. Yes, and in details, you could see the time when you can climb. Here also we can buy a SLOVE. Yes, here we transfer it to Cetus, and we can connect our wallet here, and we can buy a SLOVE, just paying Sui, for example. So to buy seed, I also use Cetus. I have contract address, I copy it, I put it here, and I found the seed token. I push import. But be aware, you need to use only official source to find the contract, yes, because otherwise you could buy some scam token. Okay, and for example, here I can buy some seed. For 1 Sui, I can buy this amount of seeds. Okay, and if I push here Sui, it will propose me to download a browser extension. I already have this extension. If you don't have extension, so you need to download it. Okay, and here I can connect my Telegram, yes, which have already connected, and here I can open application. So location is not available in PC, yes, because for game you need to use your mobile. Okay, and now I'm opening my app on mobile. I push play. I will show how it looks like in mobile, and I will send my CDMons for hunt. Okay, this is the main page, the map. First, I will go to my CDMons. I will push at the bottom blue circle with pink CDMon. And here you can see my leader. This is level 7. Also, I can change my leader here, yes. Next, my available Mons. There are 15 of them. And seed tree visited, 8 trees. Next, there is amount of seed love, which I can earn daily. Yes, for today I earned 0 out of 85. And the next line, this is energy. I have full energy, 16. Now let's go to the backpack button, and here are all my CDMons. Yes, 15 CDMons. Next section, boxes. Yes, I do not have any. If I will buy or mint, they will appear here, and trees are not available yet. I go back. Now I will show you how we can breed. I will choose CDMon which is level 5. because we can breed Mons which has level 5 or higher, and here I push breed, and I need to choose the second Mon. It should be higher than level 5. I will choose uncommon level 7, and you can see the price 120 SLOVE and 350 seed. And in this step I can pay this cost and I will receive the box. It could be or common or uncommon, and there is small chance that it could be rare. I go back and I go back once again, and now I will upgrade and allocate some points. Here I will choose this uncommon Sidimon which is level 1. You can see that I have 6 points and I will allocate them. I push on those points and I will allocate those points to proficiency because it will increase amount of SLOVE which I can receive from hunting. And I push confirm. Okay, it's done. Also, I will level up it. I push level up, and for the second level I need to pay 2 SLOVE and 20 seed. I push confirm. Okay, and now it will be upgrading during 2 hours. I go back. So the important thing that energy should be full. Only with full energy we can upgrade our Sidimons. And now let's go to my leader. Yes, here is my leader. And you can see at the middle that it has 33 endurance out of 100. It means that the amount of SLOVE from hunting will be reduced, and that's why I need to recover my Sidimon. I push recover and I need to pay. Yes, full recovery will cost me 43 SLOVE. I push confirm. Okay, I paid SLOVE and it's 100%. And now I can send it for hunt. Let's go and send it for hunt. I go home and now I need just push start adventure. I push start adventure. And the next step, I need to go close to a tree. And when tree is palisades, it means that I can interact with it. I just push on the tree. And here I need to push start hunting. Okay, and you can see that the total SLOVE which is available for my Sidimon, yes, it's 114, but I have level 7 and I can collect only 85. I push start and it will go for hunt. And here I have communication, yes, that I can earn only maximum 85 SLOVE. I push keep hunting. Okay, and below you can see that my Sidimon will be hunting 2 hours and 40 minutes. And after this time I can climb my SLOVE. Okay, I go back. There is a new feature, market. Here you can see new. I push on it. And here we can buy Sidimons. We can sort them from the lowest price. Also we can filter by rarity, for example, and we can search and buy some Sidimons here. Okay, and one more thing I would like to show. This is the Sidimon calculator, and here you can calculate how many SLOVE your Sidimon will bring to you. Yes, and you need to choose the rarity of your Sidimon. For example, let it be uncommon. Also, you need to choose the class of your Sidimon. Yes, for example, Ghost. It will bring the most amount of SLOVE. Okay, the level. After that you need to allocate points because you receive for those points when you upgrade your Sidimon. And for example, I will put it here and you will see that SLOVE per day will be increasing according to those points. And if I increase recovery, yes, endurance and recovery cost will decrease. About luck, I don't know if it's really so important or not, but you decide. And about seeding we need when we mine seed tokens. Yes, as of now I'm mining SLOVE, and that's why I'm choosing proficiency. Okay, and I think that's all, guys. Yes, I think I mentioned all important points, and if you have any questions, just ask and I will try to help. Have a great day ahead and bye.